In this video, we will be covering two lookup functions, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. First, let's study the VLOOKUP function. So this function extracts a value from the leftmost column of the table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. And that's really pretty much how exactly it works. So in our example, we are given a list of employees with their ID numbers and salaries per month. Now, let's say we want to find out the salary of Sham from the given table in rows 14 to 17. For this, in cell D22, we will write equal to, followed by the VLOOKUP function, and then we will mention C22 as the lookup value, followed by comma, and C14 to E17 as the table array, which we will freeze by pressing F4. Next, type 3 as the column index value, since salary is the third column from where the table array starts. When you enter comma again, then two values will be displayed, true and false. True will give you an approximate match and false will give you an exact match. And since we want the exact number, we will enter false in our case. When done, we will close the bracket and press enter. So as you can see, the salary for Sham comes out to be 30,000. We can change the column number in the formula to 2 in case we want the ID number of Sham from the given table. Please note that this function only moves from left to right in the given array and doesn't allow us to move from right to left. So in this case, it is not possible to use VLOOKUP, and instead we will have to use the index match function, which we will cover in our later video lectures. Now let's move on to cover the second lookup function, HLOOKUP. This function is similar to VLOOKUP, the only difference being that it looks for the answer in a user specified row instead of a column. In the given example, suppose we want to find out the revenue for the quarter mentioned in cell B17. For this, in cell C17, we will have to type equal to HLOOKUP, followed by an open bracket, and the lookup value as cell B17. Now insert a comma and enter the array as cell C13 to cell F14, which we will freeze by pressing F4. Row number will be 2, since revenue is in the second row of the given array. Now we will again include false and finally close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, the revenue for the given quarter comes out to be 1400. Both these functions are used extensively, so make sure you are on top of them.